Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply today. We've got a Zodiac MX8 and we're going to install cyclonic scrubber assemblies. Alright, and we're back. So today we have a Zodiac MX8, and what we're going to do is the MX8 Elite recently came out, and the big difference between the MX8 and the MX8 Elite is the bottom scrubber assemblies on these things were normal, like this. They just had these little fins. And what they did, they added these scrubbers to them, which was kind of cool. So it actually brushes the bottom of your pool floor now. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna upgrade this to the scrubber assembly. So pretty straightforward. If you have an MX8 or if you need to replace these, if you have an MX8 Elite, it'll all work for you. This video will work, so we can kind of dive right in and show you how to change these out. So let's get started. So first things first, what you wanna do is, as you can see, hopefully you can see, there's an arrow on the outside of these turbine assemblies. So what it is, the arrow needs to point out towards the track. There's also an arrow on the inset here. So those two arrows line up, which actually opens it up to where now you can get a Phillips screwdriver in here and unlock the screw that's back here. So if that's not lined up, you have no access to the screw. So I can't turn anything. You line up those two arrows and the screw magically appears. Let me get back over here. And now I can unloosen. And it really is just as easy as this. So now that bad boy comes out, my new one goes on. So again, I have an arrow and my arrow's out there, but as you can see how there's this indentation here, that's where the screw right here goes in. So the screw goes into there. So what I'm gonna do is line up that screw before I do anything so I can seat this thing all the way down. And now I'm gonna turn my cyclonic scrubber assembly to where the arrows now line up, which again, gives me access to my screw. So all I have to do is tighten it down. So as you can see here, I have one scrubber assembly and one non-scrubber assembly. So what it does, actually sits off the cleaner, so it actually will drag on the pool itself, which is kind of neat. Again, anything you can do to help clean your pool, we highly recommend it. So these things just slowly clean your pool is good. Quick little serviceability on these things. So if these ever grind down or actually break off, all you have to do is unclip these two little clips, and you can buy these little parts right here, and all they do is just snap right back in for easy serviceability so you can get new ones. So let's go ahead and real quick, we're gonna install the second one of these. So again, I'm gonna line my arrow up, unloosen my screw. It's a Phillips screw. Slides out. New scrubber goes in. I'm gonna line up my screws. So screw goes into the big indentation there. And if it doesn't at first, so see how it's not going in? So it usually works if I sit it on top like this so nothing really slides around. There we go. Now I'm gonna line up my arrows on the outside here. Tighten her down. Maybe. There we go. Everything's hand tight. Don't use a drill in there. You don't want to snap any plastic. So now as you can see here, when this cleaner's going, it's gonna be scrubbing the bottom of your pool floor. So I'm Jacob, thanks for watching. This is how to install Zodiac cyclonic scrubber assemblies. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.